From the time that I contacted DCI to the time that they showed up at the job site, I believe it was within 48 hours. Well, we had a couple guys leave the company, one key man leave the company who we had invested all of our training in the DCI equipment on, and so we had equipment that we didn't know how to use. And so we're starting up a new crew and have a couple of good candidates, and so we realized that we needed training on it.
All the training and everything we have received from DCI has been free, basically. Customer service is basically high on their list. My experience with DCI is awesome. The response, the training, the product has just been awesome. It's everything it's said it to be and more.